Tired of bulky vacuums that can't keep up with your busy life? Imagine powerful, lightweight cleaning that goes anywhere, from Dyson to Shark, Dream to Roborock. In today's video, we're diving into the top cordless vacuums of 2025, your ultimate guide to the best models, honest Amazon reviews, and expert comparisons. All product links are in the description, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe for more vacuum reviews and buying guides. 1. Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum, 185 AW, 3 power modes, up to 60 minutes, deep cleans hard floors and carpets, dead angles pet hair, converts to handheld. The Dyson V11 Origin stands tall in our list of top cordless vacuums, combining cutting-edge suction power with smart design. With 185 watts of suction and up to 60 minutes of runtime, it easily transitions from hard floors to carpets. The V11 intelligently optimizes power based on surface type, ensuring deep cleaning every time. Perfect for pet owners, its detangling brush roll handles stubborn pet hair without clogging. It also converts to a handheld for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. With 3 power modes and Dyson's signature filtration system, the V11 Origin delivers unmatched performance and versatility, making it one of the best cordless vacuums on Amazon for 2025. 2. Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner LED Headlights, removable handheld vacuum for pet hair, crevice tool, and pet multi-tool, included 40-minute runtime, 4 carpet and hard floors, gray 9141. The Shark 9141 is a strong contender among the top cordless vacuums of 2025, offering great balance between power, portability, and affordability. Designed for pet owners, it features a removable handheld vacuum and specialized pet tools that make cleaning fur from carpets, furniture, and tight corners effortless. With up to 40 minutes of runtime and bright LED headlights, you'll never miss hidden dust or debris. Its lightweight frame and flexible swivel steering make it easy to maneuver on all surfaces. Whether you're cleaning pet hair or daily messes, the Shark 9141 delivers reliable suction and convenience, earning its place as one of the best cordless pet vacuums on the market. 3. Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum, cleans hard floors and carpets, dead angles, converts to handheld, 115 AW, 2 power modes, up to 40 minutes. The Dyson V8 Plus remains a classic in the top cordless vacuums lineup, offering powerful suction in a compact design. With 115 watts and up to 40 minutes of fade-free cleaning, it's perfect for everyday messes on both carpets and hard floors. The V8's motorized cleaner head effectively lifts pet hair and ground-in dirt, while the detangling brush keeps maintenance simple. Its quick conversion to a handheld vacuum makes it ideal for car interiors or small spaces. Lightweight and quiet, the Dyson V8 Plus still holds its reputation for efficiency and ease of use, making it one of the most dependable cordless vacuums for home cleaning in 2025. 4. Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner LED Headlights, removable handheld vacuum for pet hair, crevice tool, and pet multi-tool, included 40-minute runtime, 4 carpet and hard floors, gray 9141. Reinforcing its reputation in the top cordless vacuums category, the Shark 9141 earns high marks for its pet-friendly design and user-friendly features. This model comes with powerful suction optimized for carpets and hard floors, along with LED headlights that illuminate dust and pet hair. The detachable handheld mode and included tools make it versatile for tight spaces and furniture. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, it's ideal for medium-sized homes. Sleek, lightweight, and easy to empty, the Shark 9141 combines practicality and performance, making it a great choice for pet owners seeking a reliable cordless vacuum cleaner on Amazon. 5. Shark Vertex Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with HEPA Filter, lightweight, portable, removable handheld, self-cleaning duo clean power fins, 120-minute runtime, IQ display, black/silver, IZ682H. Leading the top cordless vacuums list, the Shark Vertex Pro IZ682H delivers premium performance for serious cleaning enthusiasts. With an incredible 120-minute runtime, it easily handles large homes without frequent recharging. Its duo clean power fins brush roll deep cleans carpets while polishing hard floors for a flawless finish. The built-in HEPA filter traps dust and allergens, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. Lightweight and versatile, it converts to a handheld vacuum for above-floor cleaning. The Smart IQ display provides real-time performance updates, and the self-cleaning brush keeps maintenance hassle-free. The Vertex Pro stands as one of the most advanced cordless vacuum cleaners for 2025, combining innovation, power, and durability.